Taking a family trip this summer, Family Fun influencer Anna Hook has her favorite packing hacks, and we're going to give this a social media thumbs up or thumbs down.
Yeah, we have our thumbs up, thumbs down right there.
Okay,
there we go.
Thumbs up for your first one.
So I went through this with families in mind, and I went a deep dive through social media, so you don't have to at home.
Thank you.
So I've done you a favor. So we're going to start off with this hack, and Annette, I did not want to like this. I did not want to like this one. When I first saw it, I'm like, too much work, too much effort. I've got to buy stuff that maybe I don't need. But then I started getting ready for the segment. And the hack is when you're packing your kids' clothes, you lay out the outfit that they're going to wear for each day that you're on vacation. Right? So the undies, the socks, the shorts, the top, the dress, whatever it is you're going to wear, and then it goes in a Ziploc bag.
Okay.
When I saw it actually in the suitcase.
It's so easy. And then you just hand the kids a bag, right? It's like,
and
go get dressed.
Go get dressed. So this one, let's grab our little social media thumbs up here.
Do we have?
We are giving it
a thumbs up.
A thumbs up.
Okay.
I like this idea. So the next idea is actually works when you have babies and toddlers. They have to travel with a lot of clothes. So we're going to ditch the suitcase, we're going to ditch the bag, and we're going to use this
one of these
plastic storage container with the drawers.
Okay.
So what
this is if you're like going in a vehicle then, not if you're flying.
You can't fly with this, but absolutely, if you're going in a vehicle, you can put their clothes in there. So we have some clothes back here. I don't know if we can reach around and put them in.
Sure, I'll put
that might be a bit of a stretch for you. Not sorry about that.
That's okay.
But they're little shoes. They're little.
Oh, these little shoes are so cute.
We have a pair of goggles here as well. So
okay, let's throw the goggles.
The goggles are right there. So we can put those in there as well.
Okay.
Close it up. So you pack it in the house, you put it in the car. When you get to your destination, wherever you're staying, take it out of.
Unpacking.
Sorry, I'm making you work here.
That's all right.
I'm so sorry about that.
I'm gonna
You take it out, you put it in your hotel room, you put it in your Airbnb, wherever it is you're staying.
There we go.
And then when you're ready to head home, back in the car. So I love this one.
That's a good
thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
So the next one has gone so viral, it is almost impossible to find these over-the-door shoe organizers. Ideally, this would be clear.
Okay.
Cannot find them. Like it's gone wild. So this is another one for babies and toddlers. Because they have to travel, because they have to travel with a lot of clothes, we're gonna roll up each outfit, put it in the pocket. When you're ready to go, roll it up, stick it in the back of the car. When you get to your destination, you're gonna hang it up. Now this one, Annette, of all of them is the most.
This is a thumb.
This is a thumbs up. I forgot. Yes. This is definitely a thumbs up. This is the most controversial one, Annette, and it is bringing a collapsible.
I think
laundry basket.
Okay, I already love this idea because I was telling you when I travel, it's just, I think I've got everything. And then that first night you go to change your clothes and it's like, I don't want to put my dirty laundry in either the dresser drawers or back in my suitcase.
You don't want it mingling.
Yeah.
You don't want to mingle it all together. And when you're traveling with little kids, I mean, especially if they're going in and out of bathing suits, you're at the beach, you're changing a lot. I mean, those little socks are all over the place. Get one of these, but people hated this idea.
Why?
I don't know.
So it's a collapsible hamper.
I know. Get it, at a dollar store, you get a collapsible.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't understand. Enlighten me. So this is not a packing hack.
Okay, we've got a minute left.
Yeah, so this is a travel hack. Stay with me, people. I know this is ridiculous, so stay with me. When you're in the car with little kids, you're in the front seat, they need to get something. They want something. They're stuffy. They want
a bag of chips.
They want a snack. They want a juice box.
You're very good at this. Okay, so you wouldn't be doing this as a driver, but if you're the front passenger.
If you're the passenger, definitely don't do this if you're a driver. But if you're a passenger, so let's just role play here for a second, and you're going to go over here.
Okay,
you're going to give this a try.
30 seconds left.
Okay, you're going to take this.
Okay.
I'm the kid. Excuse me, Mom, could I please have a juice box?
No, I'm giving you a bag of chips.
Oh, it is easy. Isn't it easy?
Okay, where can people follow your hacks?
You can find me on Instagram at Family Fun Expert.
Okay.
And I'd love to see you there.
Okay, we'll get that link up on our website, chch.com. Okay, what do you want? A stuffy.
Thank you.